Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Silential Vlogs, and today we are going to make a very important video. So many a times when we are doing a RCT, we find it quite difficult to read till the apex of the tooth. Okay, so why this happens? Why actually you are not able to negotiate the file till the apex of the tooth? अब जब भी हम रूट कैनाल करते हैं, usually we find that the upper maxillary molars are very difficult, upper 6 and upper 7, but the lower 6 and 7, when we are getting those kind of cases, we become very happy. But the case is actually opposite. Most of the file breakage is present in the mucobuccal canal of the lower first molar and the lower teeth only. Upper tooth only premolars में ज़्यादा file break होता है. So in premolars, upper premolars, you have to be very careful. Lower molars, especially, we have to be very careful. So why the file breaks? Why your GP or your file is not going to the apex? And we say that to the patient that the canal is calcified. It's not like that. This is all what when we are doing the RCT. Suppose if you are doing the RCT in a hurry-burry or there are a lot of patients waiting in your clinic. So if we are doing the RCT in and we are not fully concentrating while doing it, what happens is sometimes what tends like when we are working with a number 8 file or 10 file, so whenever you are filing, so at the point where the file is getting obstructed, what we tend to do is we tend to give a to and fro motion to the file. That is completely wrong. कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. So what we should do is कि whenever you are getting any kind of obstruction, just take out the file from that place. Okay, first do this thing. After that, what you do is you put some saline, give and irrigate that particular canal with a lot of saline, and even if it is possible, do once with hypo. So what happens is whenever we are opening the canal, हमने open कर लिया, we are very happy. Now we took out the 8 number file, 3 files हमने canal में डाला, then we took the working length. Exactly fine आया. But when we are going, when we go and try to do the BMP, okay, we are filing अंदर घुस करते filing करते हैं, तो क्या होता है कभी कभी ना, ओह कैनाल तो मिल गया है, मजे से करते हैं, और कभी क्या होता है ना, कटाक फाइल बीच में अटक जाती है. तो what happens is when you are filing the dentin debris from the wall of the canal, okay, it's getting obstructed at a particular point where the canal is either thin or where the canal is curved. Okay, so what happens is we try to, okay, हम तो थोड़ा और जोर से फाइलिंग करेंगे तो हमारा फाइल हर पार हो जाएगा. उसके लिए स्पेशल अलग फाइल आता है जब ब्लॉक होता है, तो उसको बोलते हैं C pilot files or C plus files. That already I have made many videos, and again I'll make a newer video on that one. So we need to keep a particular set of files, and even if you are doing, suppose we have done around 200-300 RCTs with hand, I strongly recommend you please switch on to the rotary file system, because rotary file system is quite flexible and you get n numerous number of files, various path files also. So when we are doing hand filing, sometimes our hands get tired, our fingers are very much stressed out. So while working, sometimes it happens like your hand slipped and your hand got some extra movement. So what happens is that ledge formation is there. So due to the ledge formation, your file is not going inside. Now how to clear this ledge? Suppose ledge already हो गया है and you're not able to reach the apex. So what we have to do, we have to take a number 6 file or number 8 file. First you should try to negotiate with the number 6 file. उसमें क्या होता है, 6 file usually खराब हो जाता है, पिंक कलर का जो होता है. उसके बाद क्या करना है, number 8 file you take and bend the tip of the number 8 file slightly. No, ये टिप कोई देगा नहीं आपको, लेकिन बहुत लोग ये जानते हैं. पहले नंबर 8 का जो एकदम टिप है उसको हल्का सा you just with your nail you just bend it little bit, put the file inside the canal, and before putting you have to put inside the canal 2 to 3 drops of Avuprep plus liquid, that is a EDTA liquid. The cost is around 800 rupees I think, and wait for 5 minutes in all the 3 canals. So what will help, it will remove the smear layer and the extra dentinal debris which is present in the canal. So you put the file inside that particular area where it is getting blocked and just do a watch winding motion slightly. So at one point you will see the file is suddenly it is moving inside, and at that particular point the block was there and you have cleared the block. Now don't be happy, right? After clearing the block, in the same motion, in the same position, you have to keep filing. After then again irrigate, again file. In the same way you have to insert the number 8 file again, then switch on to the next number file, number 10. Similarly bend the tip of the number 10 file. So similarly in that similar sequence you have to put the number 10 file, tip the bend, again you have to watch wind motion, put it inside. It will not go inside, again irrigate, then again bend it, then again put it, and be aware that every time you are using a new file, like suppose 8 number आपने निकाला तो नया होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब bend कर रहे हैं तो already you are producing a lot of stress on the file. Okay, so वैसे करके you have to extend till number 20. After extending the canal till number 20, then you start the rotary again. So this way you will be able to negotiate the blocked area of the canal. Very important tip. And what files I generally use in my clinic. See, this video is not about particular topic. This I just thought of making because काफी लोगों को ये problem हो रही है, काफी 95% of the people. So be aware when you are doing the canal. Be conscious when you are doing. Take regular radiographs if you need to, and be patient. Suppose you are not able to do on a particular date, and you are not feeling fresh, and tell the patient I won't be able to do it because it is a little bit a cumbersome procedure and you need a lot of time. So tell the patient I will do in the next appointment, and next appointment call on a fresh day with fresh mind and concentrating mind, do that work. Definitely you will be able to reach the apex. And जब अभी क्या होता है ना, अगर आप ऐसे ही ऑब्जर्वेट कर दोगे तो इट हैज चांसेस ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. सपोज आपने 3 mm छोड़ दिया और ऑब्जर्वेट कर दिया, सो एक ना एक दिन जरूर उसमें इन्फेक्शन होगा ही होगा. पेशेंट आपके पास जरूर आएगा, बोलेगा सर पेन हो रहा है. The success of your practice and success of the RCT really depend upon how you are working on the patient, how much effort you are giving, right? So this is very important. Endodontist लोग भी अटक जाते हैं, तो हम तो किस खेत की मूली है, तो हम तो अटकेंगे. तो और भी RCT की वीडियोस है, आप मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं. और अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज शेयर, सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल, एंड यू कैन फॉलो मी इन इंस्टा एज वेल, sai_dental. Take care, love you all, bye.